coming back to this match, I think it was just the way they batted. I think they did amazingly well when they came out to bowl, when they restricted Pakistan to 135. I thought the plan should have been they come out, try to see off the new ball. First 6 overs, get to 40 runs, maybe 1 wicket down. But when you lose 3 wickets in first 4 overs, especially against the attack of Pakistan, one of the best bowling attacks, Shaheen bowled well. It was just they played some silly shots, unfortunately. And you obviously miss your captain, who was in great nick wholly around. He got injured. You can't control it. But a couple of your main batters played some very average shots, and I think that's where you lost the game.
Sir, any Bangladeshi pacer that impressed you?
I mean, Tashkent has been impressing me for the last 2-3 years. The way he bowls, the way he runs in, the way he gets wickets. He is your premier bowler. Mustafizur is there as well. And of course, Rishad has been. I saw him this year in PSL for Lahore Qalandars. He bowled beautifully. He's a very talented cricketer and a gun fielder. He's got a bright future.
As a first-rate bowling performance from the Pakistani bowling attack, do you expect it to come to the fore on Sunday as well?
Yeah, I hope so. Look, it's India-Pakistan game. India definitely is favourite on the Sunday. But you guys have seen, cricket lovers have seen, I have seen. Anything can happen in this format. One good innings, one spell can change the course of the game. Pakistan team should take this confidence, this momentum back on Sunday and back themselves and play sensible cricket.
So just final question, that do you think that if Pakistan on Sunday get maybe their top order early out India's and then their middle order gets exposed?
Ideally, couple of early wickets, especially Abhishek and Gill, that can definitely put India on a back foot. Should be a close game, and I hope in the end best team will win.
Sir,
last question.
what do you think? What can end Bangladesh trophy drought?
Look, I don't follow Bangladesh first class cricket. I haven't been there for so long, but that you have to focus on your first class. Red ball cricket, from there you'll get the proper batters. And I think that's the cure. I've been saying it for years and years because I follow Bangladesh cricket wherever, whenever, from since I came there in '94 and played for Rabbani, the good old days. So yeah, focus on first class cricket.